So this is an Oraimo BoomPop2S headset, and it's one of their latest devices. One of the things I easily like about it is the design. It's very, very sleek. I think that one of the things that Oraimo has really perfected is how they design their devices. Like, they really do it so well. I've reviewed the Oraimo FreePod earbuds. I've reviewed the Oraimo power bank that you can sometimes, if you feel like it, use to charge your laptop. I've also reviewed some of their devices. I'm going to review this Oraimo watch as well at some point in this channel. I'm just using it for now to see what it looks like and how to just try a couple of things with it. So this is a USB-C device. It also has a jack port here. It has the on and off control. All the controls, from what I've noticed, all the controls are on the right side of the device. On the left side, it's completely blank. There are no controls there or anything like that. Really flexible device. When it comes to my likes and dislikes, I would say the one thing I don't like about it is the fact that it does not have ANC. It doesn't have active noise cancellation. So it means that if you're on a call with it, you'd still be able to pick up some background noise. Both you and the person that is calling you or the person you're calling will still be able to pick up some background noise. But it's not entirely useless in that area. It has ENC, which is environmental noise cancellation. So if I have a fan on right now in my office and I have this on and you call me, you will not be able to hear the fan noise. But if somebody is banging something, you'd be able to hear that one. So it does a very good job, just in a way, blocking off some environmental noise, right? Also, because of the way it's really padded here, if you put it on, it completely it's holding your ears in a comfortable way, right? And it just reduces the noise that comes from the environment. And again, that's what we're talking about, the environmental noise cancellation. I worry about that though, because the way it's padded, the way it's built, if you're a sweaty person or like a hot environment, these areas are going to get all sweaty, because if you're sweating and you have this here like this, the sweat is just going to be all over the place. I've encountered headset like this in the previous years, and I think that would happen with this one as well. So if you're a sweaty person, that's going to happen. But if you're not sweating and you're using it maybe under AC or fan or on the road, you should be fine, really. So that's really it. One of the questions I've been getting a lot as well is if you can use it for your work calls. You can, but please do the work calls in an environment that is not very loud. If the environment is very loud, the person calling you might pick up some background noise, right? Again, it doesn't have the active noise cancellation that completely just blocks off all the noise for people and for you as well. It just has environmental noise cancellation. So that's pretty much it. In terms of controls, there's really nothing special about it. You have the pulse play, forward, backward button, the USB-C port, and you have the earphone jack port, but that's really it. And one final thing, and this is what I absolutely adore about this device. You can pretty much carry it anywhere around the house. I can have my device plugged in the kitchen and I'll be listening to music here. I can go to bed with this on my ears, right? And the other thing I really love about it, it's also one of the reasons I wanted to sample it for a bit longer before I give it to one of you guys, is the bass. It's really, when they say boom pop, they were not joking. It has really good bass, right? I don't want to compare it to any other devices from devices I've used in recent times, but if you're looking for an Oraimo device with good bass, get this. It's really good. It's really like you're just listening to bass all day and you're just moving around the house, and then the battery life, what Oraimo said was that the battery life could go as long as 50 hours. And I think they are right, because I've only had to charge this device once in 2 weeks. I don't use it all the time because I'm conducting interviews most of the time, but all the times I've used it, I've not had battery low. I've not even gotten close to using the battery completely. I think I charged it at some point because I was seeing like 50% battery. I was like, wait, have I charged this since I bought it? I don't think I did, so I had to plug it. So I didn't even charge it, when I first started using it. That's why I plugged it. So it lasts really, really long, right? The battery life is really solid. The bass is really, really great. And yes, it's wireless, completely wireless. You can carry it around the house and use it to jam up to your favorite songs. It would have been a perfect headset, in my opinion, if it allowed me to, or if it had that active noise cancellation to block off, environmental or background noise, of people disturbing me or people making noise in the backgrounds and all of that. So apart from that, it's really good. It has a mic here that you can, when you wear it, you can use the mic to communicate with whoever is calling you, right? So you can use it for calls. That's completely fine. So that's the update I have for you guys. Now, if you want to win this, the instructions are the same as always. Simply leave a comment under this video. Just leave a comment. Talk about anything, right? Talk about the device if you want. If you leave any comment, right? Everyone who commented and also follows me on Instagram is going to be eligible to get this device. So after a week or two, I am going to announce who the winner is. How would you know when the announcement drops? Well, I am going to leave a short video to announce who the winner is. I'm just going to mention your name and you have to reach out to me on Instagram to claim this. Now, if you are not in Lagos, Nigeria, I will most likely have to send you the money so you can buy from Oraimo directly. I got it from Oraimo directly. For those of you asking how much I got it, I'm going to leave the price on screen. They also delivered to me for free, maybe because I'm in Lagos. But that's it. That's pretty much it.